All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Well, hi everybody. Welcome to part 8 of building Studio G. Oh my goodness, yes. Okay, finally we've got the walls up and the carpet in, and I needed a workbench. I have the library lectern that I have, but workbenches along the east wall. There's no windows on that wall, and it's the lower of the walls. It's only 7 feet high, but we came across this product at Second Use, and it is a countertop in a box is what it was called, and it folds down and comes back up, and it's locked. It's like got a hydraulic type thing on it, and that is what we installed. Oh my goodness. There were 2 of them, and I wanted them tall, because I'm tall, and I wanted them to be able to stand, and I wanted them level in case I needed to do a long project across them. But I also wanted them to be able to fold down in case I didn't need them both up. So here it is. Hope you enjoy. There was some thought behind this. And yes, teamwork works. This is where I really needed Bob to help out. Well, there they are. Yep, that was it. That was the workbenches. And God, they were a trick to install. Bob got to use his laser level. He was very pleased with that. I only snapped the thing onto my finger once and nearly broke it, but that was okay. It was, it was just good and bruised for a day or so or more. But it was a great accomplishment, and they are fabulous. And when you see them where they are and how everything works together, you're going to see why I chose them. And I'm just thrilled. So thanks for watching this one. And that was part 8. Yeah, I'm going to get to the ceiling pretty soon. All right. Anyway, until next time, everybody, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you. But the first place you'll find it is when you go look in the mirror. And I so appreciate the thumbs ups. I really do. Thanks a lot. And if you like this content, go ahead and subscribe, check out the playlist, and see what else I've got going on.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.